I'm recording
I
for a
don't know
second.
how she's not just gonna flop. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but she went from the couch to the ottoman. I think she's got some strong abs. Are you being jealous, Phoebers? You gonna find any mice in the house, Aya?
I don't know how she's gonna hold on now. She's gonna have to flop. Somehow they get a grip, though. She's got her body's hooked on that board right there. And then she'll move it a little bit and then push. Look at
She's
that.
got it, yeah.
That's amazing.
She's so big around now. Look, she's like fat all the way down to her tail.
I know. Now she's gonna get the weight up on that step. That's
I'm
amazing.
recording it. This is cool. Too bad the tree's not there anymore.
Yeah, we could stick her in the tree. That's true.
I thought about that, but yeah. Look.
Leave her alone.
Be a good girl. It's okay.
Leave her alone.
Okay, come here. Whoopsie.
That's what I thought.
Uh-oh.
Did you go boom? Did you go boom?
Did I record you go boom?